Hey everybody, my name is Kaleb McDaniel and I work for Pipe Wrench Plumbing, and I am an inspections coordinator, which entails that I meet with inspectors and really am the last one to meet the homeowner and everything like that and make sure they're satisfied with everything we do here. What made me want to come to Pipe Wrench is I had a very, very close friend in a previous job, and he kind of taught me everything I know, and I credit this career path to him, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be having my favorite job at all. I mean, it's a great atmosphere, and he always talked highly of it, and I've come to realize in the short time I've been here that he was right. This is a great place to work. I worked for Delaware Mechanical Contractors here in Knoxville. I was the shipping and receiving / inventory supervisor, and really taught me a lot about the basics of plumbing, fittings, even HVAC with units and everything like that, and they taught me a lot. What I like most about working at Pipe Wrench is the family environment. You know, they say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. And coming to work, I used to dread coming to work, but now I look forward to coming into work. Biggest thing for me is we say the pledge every morning, and that speaks a lot about a company right there. Just everybody loves everybody. You know, if there's not that one person that nobody gets along with, everybody gets along with everybody, and it's a big family. What I like most about my job here at Pipe Wrench is seeing the work that guys prior to me have put in, and meeting with the homeowner and seeing their smiling face and how much they talk highly of everybody else about how everything's working good, we don't have any problems, or you know, we take care of a problem for them. And I love seeing the people smile on people's faces. My life outside of Pipe Wrench, I'm very involved with my nephew's youth sports. Currently finishing basketball and finishing football and starting basketball. My family partakes in the sport of drag racing. I do that, try to go with them and spend time with my family whenever I can. And it's just spend time with family and friends and nephews and just hang out and have a good time.